Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to pay with Paysafe on SHEIN. So here's a simple step-by-step guide on how to pay with Paysafe. So open the SHEIN app or go to the SHEIN website, then click add the items you want to add items you want to your shopping bag, then go to the checkout page. Then enter the shipping address and confirm delivery details, which is very important. Then on the payment method page, select Paysafe or Paysafe card depending on your region, and you will be redirected to the Paysafe payment page. Enter the Paysafe PIN or log in with your Paysafe account, then confirm the payment. So once approved, you will be redirected back to SHEIN page with your order confirmation. You will also receive a payment receipt from the Paysafe. And listen to these tips: if you don't see the Paysafe as an option, it may not be supported in your country. So in that case, you can use the Paysafe to load a virtual card, then pay with it on SHEIN. And that's how you can easily pay with Paysafe on SHEIN. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.